Believe me, you can be confronted with a programming need to repeat an occurrence of a string for a certain number. For example, you can have a string A, you want to repeat it 3 times to have A. The star sign is what we use to perform such operation, and the operation is known as repetition. The star sign, don't be confused, when used on numeric values or numeric operands, two numeric operands, it performs normal arithmetic multiplication. But when used on the first operand is string and the second operand is a number, it performs repetition. Okay, so look at these examples here. We have A times 3, you have A as output. You have A as output. Example 1, I'm talking about. And example 2, you have go, then star 2, you have go, 2 goes, okay, in the output. And example 3, we have pen, then star 3, we have pen, 3 pens. This is a repetition in Python programming. Thank you.